Okay.
Yep.
So this cut is going to cut the inside of the piece. We just trimmed the outside to finish shape, and now we're going to do the inside, just running it against the cutter. I'm a little bit concerned about the cutter getting down here and maybe chipping material off. I'm going to try it and see what happens with this one piece, because I think grain-wise, and we've cut this so close, that I think we're perhaps unlikely to have chip out, but don't know how to find out other than run it and see.
So you have, when you set that in there, you have a couple of screws to help you with adjustments. What are those adjustments for?
Yep, I've got these little screws that allow me to make adjustments, because even though this has been finish cut, we want to be able to make one adjustment, and this adjustment will remain the case for all of the pieces, because all of the pieces will be cut the same along the back. And where before the ends were the important reference point, now this long back that we've cut becomes the reference point, as it were, for cutting the front. In other words, it becomes the bit that we want in a predictable place in the jig.
Mm-hmm.
So it backs up against these screws and it cuts a long curve, and this piece is now cut to its final shape. It'll need some other little grooves and things cut in it before it's finished, but that's the big work of cutting one of these out.
Great.